Understanding chords. Part 3. Now that we've covered the basics of chords, we can jump into the fun sides of sevenths and beyond. We'll be diving into inversions and chord extensions. Let's start with a quick look at inversions with the sus chords to review some of the aspects of the intervals, before we jump into seventh chords. sus2 and sus4 chords are inversions of each other. D sus2 is D, E, A, which is the first inversion of A sus4, which is A, D, E, and that A sus4 is actually the second inversion of the original D sus2. Confused? Well, remember the videos on intervals. Remember how the inversions of the perfect intervals are always perfect. Well, D to A is a perfect fifth, and E to A is a perfect fourth. Likewise, A to D is a perfect fourth, and A to E is a perfect fifth. Still confused? Well then, let's leave the inversions behind, for now, and come back when we're ready to have 3 levels of inversion, instead of just the 2 in suspended chords. Seventh chords are where things start to get interesting because you now level up from 3-note chords to 4-note chords. But there are other options for 4-note chords that you can use, as well. For example, the easiest is to take the root note of the chord and double it up with a perfect 8th interval, the octave. For example, a B-flat major chord would be B-flat, D, F, B-flat. This is a 4-note chord that is not a 7th chord. Let's now break down some of the main or more common types of 7th chords, which are major 7th, minor 7th, dominant 7th, minor major 7th, half diminished, fully diminished, augmented 7th, and augmented major 7th. That might seem like a lot already, but it's barely scratching the surface. Major 7th chords are built with a root note, a major third above it, a minor third above it, and a major third above it. In relation to the root note, they are built with a root note, a major third, a perfect fifth, and a major 7th. In terms of half steps, that would be a root note, 4 half steps above, 7 half steps above, and 11 half steps above, or a 0, 4, 7, 11 stack. Minor 7th chords are built with a root note, a minor third above it, a major third above it, and a minor third above it. In relation to the root note, they are built with a root note, minor third, perfect fifth, and minor 7th. In terms of half steps, that would be a root note, 3 half steps above, 7 half steps above, and 10 half steps above, or a 0, 3, 7, 10 stack. We'll start with the dominant chord and its inverse chord next time. Like, comment, follow, and subscribe for more.